A to Z animals with their sounds. A is for alligator. Alligator says hiss. B is for bear. Bear says grr. C is for cat. Cat says meow meow. D is for dog. Dog says woof woof. E is for elephant. Elephant says pawoo. F is for fox. Fox says yip yip. G is for giraffe. Giraffe is very quiet. H is for horse. Horse says neigh. I is for iguana. Iguana says hiss. J is for jaguar. Jaguar says roar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo goes thump thump. L is for lion. Lion says roar. M is for monkey. Monkey says ooh ooh, ah ah. N is for nightingale. Nightingale sings tweet tweet. O is for owl. Owl says hoo hoo. P is for panda. Panda says Q is for quail. Quail says wit wit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit is very soft and quiet. S is for seal. Seal says growl. T is for tiger. Tiger says grrr. U is for Uriel. Uriel says ba ba. V is for vulture. Vulture says scree. W is for wolf. Wolf says awoo. X is for X-ray tetra. It is a fish and makes no sound. Y is for yak. Yak says mrrr. Z is for zebra. Zebra says ah ah. Learning is so much fun with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more animal adventures. Bye-bye, little explorers.